Okay, today we are getting ready for a big turning session. We're going to make some ornaments. And as I got ready, not really getting dressed, but I thought I'd talk about some of the equipment that I have and really like. I have a Smock that zips up on the front, has pockets in the back so it doesn't catch too many shavings. It's got a pencil pocket right here that does catch shavings, and then it's easy to make a mess of it and not my clothes, and the shavings just don't stick to me, so I really quite like that. I always wear a pair of safety glasses. I've gotten used to them, and because I like to see things up really close, these are a bifocal. I've got this face shield that I like to wear. It's a little bit better than just the cheap ones. I'm going to take my ring off. It's always a good thing to do. And put it in the shop so my wife knows if I don't have my ring on, it's because I've been turning and it's out in the shop. And one other thing I like to wear, a couple other things I like in the shop are these ISOtunes. I bought them on recommendation from other YouTubers. They act really different than what I expected. They're ear protection, so you can still hear things from the outside, but not 100% deafness. Then you can Bluetooth listen to your music or podcasts. I like that part. There's a little volume control on them. The sound canceling is completely different than what I thought. It doesn't cancel noise around you. It only cancels the mic if you happen to be on the phone talking to somebody and you turn on your table saw. They can't hear the table saw, nor can they hear you at that point. So that's kind of weird. And then I have this mask, which is a neoprene mask that has replaceable filters inside of it. It's an RZ mask. And it's not really, I'm not trying to sell any of this stuff. I'm just saying these are all the pieces of equipment that I use and have in the shop at hand and help keep dust down, even though I have a pretty good dust collector. So if you're going out in the shop and you're thinking about what you need to get ready, or if you're interested in what I use, I'll have links below on everything. So thanks for watching. Share, like, subscribe, tell your mom.